Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And today we got MD back in the building again. You love MD 124, you're gonna really love this one. It's called MD 125 Multicolor Premium Analog Watch Face. Now before we get started, we do got a giveaway going on here, so make sure you comment in the comment section down below. Now the watch face code that we have for this watch face is gonna be for the UK, the US, the the United Arab, and Argentina, Canada, India, and Romania. All right, so make sure you comment. We got tons of watch faces for each and every country. So if you got friends, family you want to give free watch faces to, hey, have them email me, have them watch the video. All right, with that being said, let's go ahead, let's kick this off. Again, the watch face is called MD 125. This one is nice. It's full of information, features, and functions. I love this one. Now, in always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look. It's just going to be dimmed down in the dark mode, which is a really nice look, especially if you're going out for the night. And when the watch face is on, it does have a nice analog look. I do like the colors of the hand. I like the way they light up as well. Kind of adds a lot of character and pizzazz to the watch face, and I like that red second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. Very, very nice. You get your heart rate information, steps, battery info. You get the days of the week right here. Also, you get a moon phase, which isn't a bad look at all. And you also get 24-hour time right there. This tells you what time of day it is. I'm telling you, the guy lit this watch face up. Now, if I tap here, I can go in and get my calendar. So, I mean, you got your date here as well. I mean, this guy gave you everything that you could possibly need in a watch face. You got extra features and functions in here. Also shortcuts, right? Around the bezel of the watch. I'm telling you, the guy did his thing with this watch face. And right here, you can't set favorites. I like that he gave that. Everybody's kind of doing it now. And you get two of them that you can set. So this one here also works. This is not a bad watch face. Now, it tells me in the menu that I should double tap right here. I have a hard time double tapping. I keep tapping into something else, like when I double tap, this comes up, the heart rate information. So if I double tap on the 12, I can customize the theme of the watch face, which is definitely off the charts. The guy did a really good job with this one. It's different from any other watch face that I've seen thus far. He got really creative, so we're gonna give him 2 thumbs up in the door for this particular watch face. You also can see you can change the colors as well as the theme. All right, what do you think, people? Hit me in the comment section down below. I would love to know your thoughts. Don't forget that this is a giveaway. Got a comment in the comment section down below. Tell me your thoughts on this watch face. And with that, hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please, by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I will see you again at the next video. Take care.